In this video, we'll be adding an automatic table of contents to a blog post template. We'll add a table of contents element into our sidebar. We need to add the selector for the content. We'll add a new class to this column that contains our post content. We can then use this as our selector. The heading selectors by default are H2 to H6. The post title is an H1, so won't be included. We can see the headings have been dynamically added to the table. Clicking on each link takes us to the corresponding heading. Let's remove this header and make the table sticky. We need to set a top value to determine how far from the top of the viewport the element sticks. The links are taking some styles from the theme. Let's style the links. Notice we have style access to all parts of the table. We'll change them to look like normal text, apart from the active link. And the active border color to match it. The headings are currently touching the top of the viewport. Let's add an offset to give them some space. Now it's more readable. We can also change the ID prefix. This will change the hash in the URL that links to each heading. Let's try a different list type. The border is optional, we could just have the text. We can also add counters to create customized numbered lists. A counter suffix can help separate the counters from the link text. Now we have our numbered list. Let's style the counters and change the layout to flex to make the counters align. Let's try adding an inline table of contents. We'll add the header back. The table can now be collapsible. We can add borders to make it appear more like a table. We can reduce the initial collapse depth to prevent any heading being hidden. Let's make the table collapsed on mobile to save some space. Now it's collapsed just for mobiles.